Well, my next project is putting front shocks on this van. I went with medium, middle of the road shock. I didn't get the lightest one, but I didn't go with off-road shocks. I got a medium shock. This pair of shocks cost me just under $90, and I'll be installing them on the rig today. Or if it goes a little slower than I thought, I might take today and tomorrow. But anyways, I got the truck jacked up. Just a slight observation, I'd have to say that this shock is just slightly worn out. So I got the passenger front shock installed. I like it because it's got this bell assembly and you don't have to have a dust boot, so that's kind of nice. And then I took the time that I had this front wheel off to lube the ball joints, the steering arm assembly and stuff like that. So just took about 5 seconds to do that. The shock took me 15-20 minutes. So I'm going to get on to the other side. Okay, so I got the driver's side done. That was really fast. At the outside, maybe 10 minutes. And I got all the Zerk fittings, sort of front end all lubed also at the same time. I did a little bit different this time when I was installing the shock. I installed the top first and then pushed up the bottom and then installed the bottom bolt, and then when I was all done, of course, I tightened them up. But that was easier. I did it exactly in reverse on the other side. I bolted the bottom in first and then pulled the shock down, which was a little bit more difficult, but either way it wasn't too bad. So this would be an easy repair for someone who had just very minimal mechanic skills like myself. So there we go, all done, ready for a road test. I have a pretty wicked and long driveway into my house, and I just drove out, and it's quite a bit of an improvement over what it was before, but they don't have no wild bouncing. But still, you know, this road is still pretty rough. Anyways. Have a little bit of squeaking noise under the right side, so hopefully those points that I lube will eventually take that out. Okay, so that's good enough for me. It's ready for the trip I have to make this weekend. So thanks for watching. Happy trails.